my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm flossing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Route 254. Tune in for another one. As you can see, over here on the other side of the car, cutlass, everything jacked up. And basically what we finna do, I'm finna go ahead and pull this rim and tie off and go get it swapped out. The main reason behind this really is I don't know, productivity or procrastination, man. Y'all know I be low-key hoarding shit, right? So I be low-key hoarding shit, so my plan was I was gonna keep this tire even though I don't fucking need it and just ride it until whatever. But honestly, if it's a good tire, which it is, I could just put it on the marketplace and sell it. People don't want to do right, bro. People don't want to do right. They want to have your price, etc., etc. But that's just like this YouTube shit, man. Like, there's some people that's gonna rock with you, etc., etc. You know what I'm saying? Love everything you do. Call it motivational, and then somebody's gonna say you ain't doing shit. So. Two sides of the same coin. It is what it is. But yeah, see, let me show you here. So yeah, 230 for like, I mean, the tread is good on there. Ain't no bubble on this side. I don't know what brand it is. Don't look like it's a whole shit ton of miles on them. You know what I'm saying? So I just want my money back out them bitches. So give me $50, you can add a tire. Or you can go buy you some new ones. However you want to do it. However you want to do it. But just real quick, I'm gonna roll this over here by the other one. Just so I can give y'all a better comparison than yesterday of the profile difference. See how the rim is protruding there. Right here, it's not as much. Let's see if you can see it right there. So it's a little bit more well protected, whatever like that. So like I said, I'm finna to get this, take the other tire down there, go ahead and get them swapped over, because I'm probably finna get ready to move the cutlass outside the garage so that I can pull the Chevy in. It's been so long since the Chevy been in here. I imagine that it still fit, but it's not gonna fit as easy as a cutlass, but it'll fit. So we're gonna do that and come right back. All right, so now I done grabbed this big ass tripod or whatever. It was like the whole actual tripod. Like, I really wish that my Joby had worked a little bit better, but it is what it is at this point. So yeah, the car hyped up, got the wheel off. There go my other tripod. know what I'm saying? That way I can just switch cameras and positions or whatever. It worked for me. Don't judge me. I'm also a photographer and I can write this shit off like it ain't nothing, so. I apologize for being extra. I'm just gonna check out, make sure with no grooving. I ain't really that worried about this setup because as you know, we got them blades and spindles. We're gonna probably be getting ready to put up under this thing pretty soon. Yeah, goal for this year, man, is just to get shit cleaned out, man. Get it cleaned out. Yeah, so the goal is, like I said, just to get stuff cleaned out. We got the tarp back there, so we're trying to get 10,000 subscribers so we can start getting that stuff out of the way. We got the swangers back there. We need to find some box shape to put them bitches on. What else? Apparently you gotta knock it all out. So I got an update on this list. Paint, still ain't got bumper cover, rear bumper filler corner for the box Chevy up in the air, impact strips up in the air. Got the LED headlights. I think we really finna try to focus on this front end rebuild. Here coming up. Rear tires. I mean, it almost happened, but I mean, they needed it in the front because of bubble trouble. So we're gonna have to order a couple more tires for that. Got the rear springs and the shocks. Good to go. Interior pieces. Got a couple of them. Got the 4x10 speakers and the LED headlights for that. And you know, maybe it gets turbo. C10 door panels. C10 really ain't got no love or attention here lately, but we did identify where it was leaking from and we're going from there. But we're gonna start, you know, fooling with that too. Ram, headlights, go there and say, I ain't really worried about it. Garage, maybe a compressor. We got the engine build underway over there. 2020 plug install. Like I said, that's dependent on if I even get the 60 gallon. Then, you know, just trying to keep it clean, declutter, transmission rebuilds, find LS Broham. Yeah, you know how that go. And then as far as the booster and the exhaust, you know, the situation that we facing with that. So a whole lot of shit going on. Maybe not everything will get accomplished. I don't know. I'm trying to see how this thing is, like, it'll more, like, I turned the light all the way down and now it's like overcompensating, so I'm trying to see like the best way to set the setting so it's on the A1. So anyway, enough of the talking. If I go get the tires so I can get back. Like, I don't plan to do shit else today other than play Grand Theft Auto and some other shit. So let's go and get this done so I can get back. Boom. Alright, y'all, we done made it back. In the spot, got the 245s on both front tires. Looking good. Both want to shine them up a little bit, but that was the main thing. Now we can put this back in the streets and tune it and do all this stuff that we was trying to do before, but was lacking just a tad of you know, rubber on the road, or the potential to not blow up. Or for it to have a blowout, should I say. So I said, man, just keep tuning in to the channel, man. Like I said, these are some of the things we got going on. Videos be coming, updating you on things that are going to continue to go on. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss no updates. And watch as these things come together across the garage. So appreciate y'all for watching. It's your boy ENTHUSIAST. Remember, identify make your strength like it's all about your choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Don't.